Start by properly modeling the hammer. As you can see, the geometries are very simple, consisting of only 2 cylinders and a rectangular polygon. You shouldn't have any trouble drawing it using the plan, especially after practicing with all the previous videos. Now add a 10 mm chamfer and another of 1 mm. To correctly include the text, first draw the dashed lines where the texts will be placed. On the plan, their dimensions are highlighted in blue. Write the specified text. Change the font, style, and size of the text. Select the line or curve where you want the text to appear. You can now center the text and adjust its orientation. For the second part of the text, repeat the same steps. For the second example, select Spline and define 4 points, for which you must specify their positions as indicated on the drawing. Remember that to position the text, you need to write the text, select the curve, and adjust the orientation. Change the font. Finally, proceed to write the text on a curved surface. To do this, create a new plane. draw the dimensions and specify their positions. To display the text, click on Insert, Features, Wrap. Here, you must select the sketch, the surface, the thickness, which in this case is 1 millimeter, and the type of wrap, which in this case is the second option because you want to cut. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!